Light brings life. Every time a piece is lit up, it comes alive, like anything in nature. It creates different perspective. It's a new sculpture within itself. So with every angle, you will have a new piece.
This one?
It's related to going diving. When you go underwater and you have this light being refracted by the water. This sense of calmness, peacefulness, and relaxation. That's what we're trying to recreate. It's a feeling.
We met and started working together when we were at Royal College of Art and found our studio immediately after graduating. Our aesthetic is quite different actually, because I'm more pure form and shape, and Cristina is much more decorative. But we both take inspiration from nature and the organic form. That's the commonality.
We really design through making, so it's a conversation between ourselves and a conversation with the materials. It's a back and forth dialogue between the materials to try and create the perfect piece. What's exciting about the combination ceramics and glass is that, as in nature, the possibilities are infinite. There is nothing more exciting than being presented with a new space and being asked to create a bespoke piece. The challenges that come from this allow us to grow and evolve.
The marriage of the materials and their use in our work is also for us a link to the past.
The first glass piece was made more than 5,000 years ago, while ceramic is even older. The first ceramic piece dates back 20,000 years ago.
So they are both ancient. Using ancient materials to create contemporary works make us feel connected to the long history of our craft.
My parents are both doctors, so I've always been interested in science and microscopic views of things. This has inspired me to look at a lot of details in nature. Glass and ceramic also have a direct connection to our source of inspiration, nature and the sea.
They are natural materials and they need natural elements like water and fire to form.
Ceramic, like earth, and glass, like water, they are both part of our everyday life.
Cristina has been collecting seeds and pine cones for over 20 years. Her collection never stopped inspiring us. Seeds keep all their information on the inside, and it's only when you open them that all is revealed. Sometimes I'll be blowing a different shape of glass and Cristina will look at the shape and she will suddenly have a different ideas and she will start drawing. Cristina designs more than I do. I'm more the person who makes it to reality. And then sometimes it's a battle in between because in the beginning I'm more simple in form and shape. So I always say, can we make it more simple?
Yeah, I overcomplicate things, but Stan is all about simple form. So then we try to find the balance. All the artists at Adrian Sassoon Gallery have a connection with nature, and I think that it is what brings us all together. We have an intense interest in multiple and intricate detail.